So the Logitech Revue with Google TV brings together the very best content from the web, from broadcasts, from your apps, from your personal media. It brings all of this content together and presents it in one unified interface on the very best screen in your house. We've been waiting for this for a really long time, and I'm extremely excited to be able to show this to you here today. All right, so to get going, the very first thing that we need is search, right? I mean, a very powerful search engine that can bring together all this content and help us sort through it. And of course, that's exactly what the Google search bar helps us to do. So with the touch of a single button, I can bring down that search bar. Now, I can bring down that search on top of anything. Apps, TV, home screen, it doesn't matter. It's universally available. And I can just search for whatever it is that I want to watch. So for example, I happen to like to show Top Gear. I'm going to search for that. Now notice, as I type that in, how we see a range of different results, right? These are just the instant results that happen immediately for us. Notice that the first one is from DVR recordings, so that's what I have on my dish box. The second one is from YouTube, right? So that's online, that's web content. Then I can do a deep search of all, like an exhaustive search of all the content that's available everywhere online. I have Top Gear here. It looks like it's coming up on BBC at 6 o'clock today, so I can record that if I want to. I have the online site, right, and on and on. So it helps me to really sort through all of the content that I have access to and immediately see those search results. Now, where the real magic happens is that I can select any of this and be taken directly to it, right? So let me demonstrate that for you. Let's start with the YouTube link. So I'm going to click on that. Chrome browser pops up, and I'm instantly taken to YouTube, right? I'm now watching this video. I have the full power of the web at my disposal on my TV, right? I can watch it in HD, I can watch it in full screen, and I just go seamlessly to that content. And you see that we're watching this video right here. I'm going to pause it for a second. Now let's do that exact same search, okay? And we'll search for Top Gear. Same search, same instant results. This time, let's choose the DVR recordings. I'm instantly taken to my DVR recordings. There they are. This is all the Top Gear content that I have on my DVR right now. As I said, I like Top Gear, so I have a few episodes there. I'm going to select the top one. I'll choose to watch it. And there you have it. Instantly, I'm taken to my DVR content. If Top Gear was playing right now, I would instantly switch to that. That's really powerful technology, right? We have never seen that before. The ability to just seamlessly go between the web and broadcast as if it's just all together, because it is. There's just one input. There's just one box. There's just one cable, right? I don't need to go and switch inputs, right? Or hunch over a laptop or something like that to be able to access web content and then switch back and forth between web and broadcast. I can do it all very seamlessly together. Now, here's a feature I particularly like. It's called dual view. And that helps me to actually do both of these things at exactly the same time, right? As Julian was mentioning earlier, there's about 60% of people now that are either using their phones or their laptops to find out information about the show that they're watching. But now, with Google TV and Logitech Revue, you can do that within one screen. So I'm going to press the dual view mode button, and you can see that my DVR or my live content is now in the bottom right, and what I have behind that is a browser. So if I search again for Top Gear, down come the results, and let's go to the site so I can find out some more information. And there you have it. We're watching TV and we're finding out more information about the show, right? Imagine that you're watching a football game and you want to find out how your fantasy stats are doing. You can check that out. Or if you want to find out more information about a director or an actor that you're seeing on television, you can do that too, right? We can watch both together. Really powerful stuff. All right, I'm going to pause this just for a second. Now, so the first thing that we talked about was search, right? It was very powerful search that Google is providing us to span these different worlds and bring them all together on our TV.